Hello everyone, today's video about the Capricorn Business Partner login process. To get started, visit the official website www.capricornca.com. I'm already visited. Here, this is the website. Now enter your business partner ID and password. I'm already entered it. After enter your credential, click on the login button. After login with your email ID and password, two-factor authentication is required for the second step of login account verification. I'll send the mobile OTP. The OTP will be received on register mobile number. Once you have logged in, this is the dashboard. You can see your business partner ID. Also, you can say BP code. Use this code to create DSC order. Each order placed with your BP code helps you earn commission. Next is Sale DSC. This feature you can generate applicant orders for DSC. In this section, your business partner, it means BP code, is also displayed. You can easily use it while processing orders. Next is Promote DSC Sale. This feature allows you to create sub-business partner under your account. Each sub-business partner you create can also generate DSC order, helping you grow your business and earn more commissions. Next is accounts. Send, get the OTP. After verify your OTP, in this section, you can view your complete financial summary, including your earned commission, marketing revenue, and available vouchers, and etc., all in one place with multiple provision. You can also review transaction history, and monitor your account status. Report. This section provides details insights into BP earning, transactions, revenue, and ledger report for effective financial tracking and analysis. Next is orders. In this section, you can monitor the status of every order proceed through your account. You will find information on each order, including whether it is pending, in process, completed, or downloaded. Customize report. Also, you can customize the report according to your requirement. And also, you can export in Excel. Next is tender. This option is for applying to government tender related to DSC processing. If you got a government tender for DSC services, you can apply through this section. In such cases, we will provide you with tender coupons to assist in the DSC processing. Next is BP, Business Partner. This section display a list of all the sub-business partners you have generated under your account. Next is quick links. The first is redeem coupon. Redeem coupon. If you have a coupon provided by Capricorn, you can redeem it here for discount or offers. Next is verify assistant code. Please note that this is only applicable for orders created with assistant service required selected. We are offering an additional 30% assistant commission. To claim it, enter the assistant code received by the applicant via email, SMS after download DSC into your BP portal within 48 hours. Once the order ID and code are verified, and commission will be added to your earned revenue in the account section. Next is USB token. Here you can register your new token's serial number. Once a DSC is downloaded into the register token, you will receive extra commission from Capricorn. Next is calculator. This feature shows the price and commission structure for different types of DSC. You can also copy your referral URL for promoting DSC enrollment. Next is Download DSC. This section provides the process to download issued DSCs. Next is repository, a useful library where you can access letter formats, templates, and CRL related to DSC operations. Next is drivers. Here you will find all the supported USB token drivers along with their support numbers and email IDs. Next is cache solution. Cache solution is software, it helps for download your DSC. Next is enroll eKYC. You can enroll your eKYC ID from here. This ID can be used for issuing organization, government, employee DSC and also for e-sign services. Next is your profile section. Here the profile name and the email ID is mentioned. In the manage profile, you can view and update your profile details. This include your profile information, personal information, company details, bank account information, e-sign agreement, etc. all in one place. We have all we have also updated the user manual here for your reference. For these options, we will provide a detailed information in the next video. Thank you.